this video, I will be talking about Bitcoin that is currently consolidating in a very interesting pattern that will choose a direction anytime soon. And right now, we're only 11 hours away before the next FOMC meeting, what will be having massive effects on the market, and I will be exactly discuss about what we could be expecting, what will be happening on the next meeting, and what the consequences of the rate hikes are going to be. So don't miss out on today's update video. We will be discussing the most important charts on the Bitcoin price action right now. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Yesterday, we were very close with slapping it up above 500 likes. Can we do it on today's update video? So don't forget to slap up that like button and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, the 1 hour time frame, we can also see Bitcoin is currently squeezing the price action in towards an apex and suggesting we will be having a massive market move anytime soon. We can currently see that we're starting to be forming higher lows together with lower highs, and that is of course suggesting that we are in a pennant, and a pennant will be of course in the end of the day choose the direction whether it's either going to be forming lower lows or whether it's either going to be starting to form higher highs. So we should be watching this pattern very closely, because on the point of the breakout, where we do break the resistance or where we do break the support, we could be opening a potential very good long or short position on Bitcoin. If I also look at the 4-hourly time frame for Bitcoin, I honestly am still very scared about what is going to be next for Bitcoin. Currently, we can see the major support from the past, like you can see right here. We broke below it, and straight away after we retested this very important level of resistance, we right away got rejected once again, and currently we're just continuing the trend with lower highs and with lower lows on the market. As you can see also on the 4-hourly time frame, the Bitcoin price action is currently forming a downward sloping resist line and an upward sloping support line, and also just like we have seen on the 1 hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin as well is squeezing the price action in towards an apex and suggesting we will be having a massive market move anytime soon. And what I also can currently see is that the market is really slowing down. We can currently see on the MACD, we are forming a lower high on the MACD, suggesting there is less buy pressure, but also we are forming a higher low on the sell pressure, what means that we're also seeing less sell pressure. Basically, we're seeing the market really calm down here, and my anticipation is that the market won't really move that big here until the Federal Reserve meeting is going to come up in exactly 11 hours from now on. The Federal Reserve meeting is going to be having a very massive consequence on the market, because currently we're expecting that the Federal Reserve is going to hike the interest rates by 75 basis points. And like you can see from the chart right here, is that there is an 82% chance that the Federal Reserve will be hiking the rates by 75 basis points, and there is an 18% chance that the Federal Reserve will be hiking the rates by 100% basis points. This means that if the Federal Reserve is going to hike the rates by 75 basis points, we will probably experience a small little relief ready on the market. If it is going to be lower than 75 basis points, we're going to see a significant pump, and if it's going to be 100 basis points or above it, we will be most certainly experience a very big drop on the market. But since currently already 18% of the market is pricing in a 100% basis point hike, and if it is not going to be a 100% basis point but a lower rate hike, we could be most likely experience a massive market pump. So make sure to subscribe to my channel right now, smash up the bell notification, because later today I will be live streaming the FOMC meeting, what will be of course generate massive market volatility. And potentially I will be maybe even open a new long or short position on Bitcoin, depending on how the market is looking and whether we're breaking bullish or bearish of this symmetrical triangle right here. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now to not miss out on the update that we will be bringing out later today on the Federal Reserve meeting. Furthermore, what we can currently see is that I'm also in a small little short position on Bitcoin, and right now I'm at approximately 2% profit. This profit is currently getting realized with my cryptocurrency trading algorithm called CryptoC that is going to go live to the public tomorrow. And if you want to be getting your hands on this trading algorithm, tomorrow it will go live on www.cryptoc.com, or you could go towards our Instagram page where you can find a link towards in the description to win a free subscription as soon as we go live tomorrow, and then you can get your hands on this state-of-the-art cryptocurrency trading algorithm that makes around 70% returns every single year. Also, if you are interested in claiming a free $1,000 long or short position on Bybit, don't forget to check out the highest link in the description right now, because there, if you sign up using that link in the description, deposit $1,000 on the Bybit exchange, you will be able to claim a free $1,000 Ethereum long or short position if you press on the link in the description right now. So make sure to go there right now and check it out. Furthermore, what we can talk about on Bitcoin is still on the daily time frame. I am extremely worried about the Bitcoin price action, because on the daily time frame we're currently still forming a head and shoulders pattern, and this pattern will be of course getting validated as soon as we do break below the very key box of support, what is going to be trading somewhere around at 18.7k. If we do see a significant dump below the 18.7k, I honestly think Bitcoin could see more and more downside and maybe potentially even go towards levels around $14,000. But this is only going to be the case if we do break below the level of 18.5k, and if we are going to see a relief rally later today and maybe potentially break above the 22.5k and break above the right shoulder, we could definitely invalidate this pattern. So definitely Bitcoin could still go to either direction. I only want to be pointing out that currently the market is not going to be looking good if we do break below the very important level of support we're currently seeing here on the lower side. Then as well, what I quickly want to be pointing out on the daily time frame, and just not looking at the head and shoulders pattern, but just in general the market structure, if we really break below this very important support box that you can see on the lower side of the screen right now, if we do break below it, I honestly think that Bitcoin can have another very huge flash crash. So make sure to get ready and make sure to be prepared. I am still going to be buying more Bitcoin if we're going to fall down here, but currently I am having a diversified portfolio, and due to that I will be able to be buying the dip if we are going to go lower. But anyways, I will be still continue to dollar cost average in towards the market. So make sure to make a strategy for yourself. I am just dollar cost averaging in towards the market every single day, because if I look at the bigger picture, you can also see over here on this chart, we are once again in a phase just like we were having in 2015, just like we were having in 2019, and just like we're having right now, of a bear market accumulation range. And I honestly do think that this is a good range for accumulation. You can also see if Bitcoin is trading below the 1000 daily moving average, it is also historically meaning that it is a very good buying opportunity for Bitcoin. And currently we're trading below the 1000 daily moving average. So for me, it is time to dollar cost average in towards the market, because I do think in the longer term, this is a very good place to be accumulating your Bitcoins at. Then the last thing I would like to discuss is of course the symmetrical triangle. Potentially we're going to see a breakout today. However, nevertheless, we will be seeing a breakout in the coming 20 days ahead of ourselves, and this will really kickstart the big next move for Bitcoin. So make sure to watch this pattern right now here. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date if we are going to be breaking below it or if we're going to be breaking above it, because this could be meaning a very good trading opportunity for everyone out there on the channel. Anyways, this was it for today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course ring up the bell notification if you do not want to be missing out on the live stream I will be dropping out later today on the Federal Reserve meeting, where we'll be having a massive market effect on the Bitcoin market and other cryptocurrencies today. So thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.